Hello student, welcome to DSS online class. I am your English teacher Santosh sir, and today I present with the new video of An Alien Hand, chapter 3rd, The Desert. Dear student, I taught you earlier the first part of this lesson, and I hope you understand very well whatever I taught you. Okay, now start the second part. Desert plant and animal learn to require much less water than most plant and animal. Means here the writer said that desert plant and animal learn to survive by less water than most plant and animal that are the other place. The camel is a typical desert animal, and camel is a typical desert animal, and you know that the camel is known as sheep of desert. The smaller desert animal have unusual means of satisfying their need for water, and the animal that are smaller that live in the desert, they have unusual means of satisfying their need of water. Okay student, now start from here. All living things need water in order to survive. Means here the writer said that all living things need water in order to survive. The few plants and animals have lived in desert have developed the ability to require less water than most plants and animals. Here the writer said that the few plants and animals that live in the desert have developed the ability to use less water than most plants and animals that are other places. The camel, popularly known as sheep of desert, and here the writer said that the camel is the animal that are known as sheep of desert, can drink a lot of water at one time, and here the writer said that the camel can drink a lot of water in at a time. Camel can do without water for days together, and here the writer said that the camel live without water for many days. The reason is they sweat very little, and the reason is that the camel sweat very less amount. Means जो कैमल होता है वह बहुत कम मात्रा में उसको स्वेट निकलता है, पसीना निकलता है. We sweat because we must keep our body temperature constant, and here the writer said about the human beings. The human being sweat lot of because the human beings कांस्टेंट द बॉडी टेम्परेचर. हम लोगों को जो है पसीना इसलिए ज़्यादा आता है क्योंकि हम लोग अपने बॉडी टेम्परेचर को कांस्टेंट रखने का प्रयास करते हैं. वी स्वेट व्हेन इट गेट हॉट एंड दिस कूल द बॉडी, एंड हियर द राइटर टोल्ड अबाउट द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स दैट वी स्वेट when it is the hot temperature, and when there is the hot temperature this cool the body, and the sweat is coming from our body and our body will be cool. जब गर्मी होती है तो हमारे बॉडी से पसीना निकलता है, और पसीना निकलने के बाद से हमारा जो बॉडी है वह बिल्कुल ठंडा हो जाता है. Camel can stand high body temperature, and camel can stand a high body temperature. कैमल का जो बॉडी होता है वो ऐसे बना होता है कि वो हाई टेम्परेचर में भी अपने आप को सरवाइव कर सकता है. दे डोंट नीड टू स्वेट एंड कैन देयरफॉर रिटेन द वाटर दे ड्रिंक फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. एंड द कैमल डोंट नीड टू स्वेट because its body stand in a high temperature. Therefore, the camel retain the water, the drink for long period of time. जो कैमल होता है उसको पसीना निकलता ही नहीं है, इसलिए वह वाटर को ज़्यादा दिन तक उस अपने बॉडी में रख सकता है. The smaller desert animals do not drink water, and here the writer said that the smaller desert animals do not drink water. They burrow underground during the hot day and come out at night to eat. The smaller desert animals burrow or live in underground during the hot day, and they come out at night to eat its prey. जो छोटे जानवर होते हैं वह ज़मीन के अंदर रहते हैं दिन के समय, और रात के समय वह अपने भोजन की तलाश में निकलते हैं. Some of them eat other animals, and some of the animals eat other animals and get the water they need from moisture in the meat, and they get the water from the moisture of the meat. वे जो है मीट की जो नमी होती है, मॉइस्चर होता है, उसी से पानी की कमी को पूरा कर लेते हैं. अदर ईट प्लांट्स एंड सीड्स and get the water they need from the plant juice, and other animal eat plant and seeds and they get the water from the plant juice. जो दूसरे जानवर होते हैं वो प्लांट्स को खाते हैं, सीड को खाते हैं, और वे इन्हीं सब चीज़ों से पानी की कमी को पूरा कर लेते हैं. डेजर्ट प्लांट also adapt themselves to the life they lead. Means desert plants also adapt themselves to survive on the desert. Cactus plant store water in their thick stem, and cactus is a desert plant that store water in their thick stem. Their roots lie close to the surface of the ground, and the root of cactus plant are close to the surface of the ground, and when there is the light rain they get moisture from that are occasionally fall. जो कैक्टस प्लांट्स होता है उसकी जो रूट्स होती है वह सरफेस के ही आसपास होती है, और जैसे ही जो हल्की बरसात होती है, बारिश होती है, वह उससे नमी को तुरंत एब्जॉर्ब कर लेती है. द मेजर फीचर ऑफ डेजर्ट इज़ ऑफ कोर्स ड्राइनेस, एंड द ड्राइनेस इज़ द मेजर फीचर ऑफ डेजर्ट. And variations of temperature, and in desert there is the variations of temperature are there. डेजर्ट में जो टेम्परेचर होता है उसका वेरिएशंस भी देखने को मिलता है. मतलब जो मॉर्निंग का टेम्परेचर होता है और जो दोपहर का टेम्परेचर होता है उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा वेरिएशंस होते हैं. In humid climate, the moisture in the air act like the blanket, and in humid climates, the moisture of air act like the blanket and it protects the earth's surface from the hot rays of the sun, and that is protect the sun's rays of the earth's surface. The absence of this blanket is desert land cause the desert to heat up rapidly during the day and cool off rapidly at night, and there is absence of this blanket in the desert area. Therefore the desert heat up rapidly during the daytime and cool off rapidly at night. और जो ये ब्लैंकेट होता है वह डेजर्ट में नहीं होता है. देयरफॉर डेजर्ट में दिन का जो टेम्परेचर होता है वो बहुत तेज़ी से बढ़ जाता है और रात का टेम्परेचर तेज़ी से कम हो जाता है. Deserts are an important part of the nature great plant, and therefore here the writer said that deserts are an important part of the nature's great plant. डेजर्ट जो होता है नेचर का एक ग्रेट प्लान है. दे आर देयर लाइक द डेंस फॉरेस्ट एंड डीप ओशन, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ डेजर्ट देयर इज द डेंस फॉरेस्ट आर देयर एंड डीप ओशंस आर देयर. जस्ट बिकॉज दे आर हॉट एंड ड्राई एंड डेजर्ट आर हॉट एंड ड्राई, one should not look upon them as the useless part of the earth. And in desert there are hot and dry. Therefore, we cannot say that it is the useless part of the earth. It is an important part of the earth. Okay, student, I hope you understand very well whatever I explained today, and after that on the next day I send you the question answer and words meaning of this chapter. Okay, thanks for watching the video.